Hi, are you developing game in Godot and when you pause the game and then you click on any button to restart the game or any other button, then the button doesn't work. This problem happens when your button also goes into the pause mode. Now when you interact with it, it does not respond. Don't worry, I got an easy fix for you. Just go to the scene and then click on the button which is not responding. Click on the inspector and scroll down. You will find this node category and you will see process option here. Open it and click on its mode and change this mode to always, and that's all. After it, pause the game and click on the button again and your problem should be fixed and the button start responding even in the pause mode. Thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped you, click on the like button and subscribe the channel.